Hello friends, welcome to Dynamite Knowledge in Computer. So today's video is based on the topic deletion from beginning of circular single linked list. Okay, so let's start with it. First of all, we will name the function as delete beginning. Okay, after that, this statement, that is if start equals to null, it will check that whether our list is empty or not. If our list is empty and still we want to delete from the list, then definitely it will give us the underflow condition. Okay, so here I have assumed one list having 3 nodes. So that's why this if condition becomes false, so the further statements will be executed. Then in order to traverse the entire list, we need one pointer, so we will set temp as a pointer which will point to our first node, whose address is 1000. Okay, then we will set ptr is equal to start. This pointer will remain constant in our first node so that it will be better understand in the further now. So ptr will set at our start, that is the first node only. Okay, because we want to delete from the beginning of our circular single linked list. Then we will use the while loop, that is temp next not equals to start. This will check that whether the next pointer of our node, it points to the start node or not. So first of all, here it will check. So here it is pointing to the next node whose address is 2000. So here this condition becomes true. Then again it will check. So here that is the next node is, so this temp, that means this condition becomes true. So this will be executed and temp will move to the next node. Okay, then again it will check, that is the next part is pointing to the node whose address is 3000. So this condition again becomes true and this statement will be executed and temp will again move to the next node. Okay, then here it will check. So here what happens is that in the next part, it now contains the address of our first node, that is the starting node. So here this while condition becomes false and then it will stop executing and come out of the loop. So when it will come out of the loop, we need to set start is equal to start next. This particular statement you can write before the while loop also. If you write it before the while loop, then also it will be no problem. Okay, so set start is equal to start next. So here the next part of our starting, that is first node, is 2000. So instead of 1000, now it will store 2000 and it will no more point to this, but it will point to the second node. Okay, second node. Then set temp next is equal to start. This means that now temp is presently here, that is the last node. So here temp next is equal to start. So instead of 1000, it will store now the address of our, that is address as 2000, because the start is now pointing to start next. That means now our second node or previous second node now becomes the first node. So that's why at temp next we will insert the address as 2000 and after that deallocate ptr. Deallocate ptr means this particular node will be deleted. Okay, and then exit. So after deletion, the list will be visible in this way. Okay, so this was deletion from the beginning. Soon I'll be coming with more conceptual videos. Till then, stay gold, stay safe, and please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.
We don't talk anymore.